You go ahead and drive them off if you want. Like so. And we're ready to go. We can show you the driving beginning. Pass it over the butt. Pull the head. Walk on. Good. Stop. Whoa. I'm talking real quick about the implement. This is a Meadowbrook cart. You'll see it's a rear entry, meaning that when you walk up to it, if the back of the seat's folded up, it folds forward so you can step through it. Driver sit on the right, passenger on the left, and you can use this as a back step. As we go around the implement, you'll see that it has a basket. That's what this area is called, where you're putting your feet, of course. The shafts, it already has the woe back straps, which are these leather pieces here. And it has the trace loops, so as it goes back, the traces or tugs are going to go through the loop and then hook back onto the evener, which is right there. So again, there's your evener, your rail post, and that's your piece of equipment. Next thing we'll do is hook it up to the horse. As we approach the back of the horse with the implement, you can see it's right alongside the horse. Bring it up high, forward, and then your goal is to put it right inside the shaft loops on both sides. The next step will be to hook up the traces. So here's the final product of Lena hooked up to the cart. We'll go over the measurements right now. First, you start the collar, trace goes back, goes on in between the saddle and the shaft loop, goes back, goes through the gap that is made in the actual woe back strap, so between the two pieces of leather underneath the buckle. Goes back through the loop that's on the shafts, comes back here to the second to last hole. So here's the last hole, there's the second to last hole. Same thing's true on both sides. As we go forward, same thing. Straight back through, in between the shaft loop and saddle, in between the woe back strap leathers, which the woe back strap is hooked to the corner of the breechin. Then that goes forward through the stay or keep that's on the actual shaft piece of equipment. Second to last hole. Make sure that they're both the same.